Normalized backscatter is a SeaBat unique data output that provides true backscattering strength in real time. That means the data has already been compensated for changes to all basic sonar settings. You can see that tracker is turned off now. Now, if the sonar settings would change, pulse length for instance, that would normally have impacted the intensity return in the backscatter. But with SeaBat Normalized Backscatter, we don't see any changes because it is true backscattering strength. Let's change the pulse length, and you'll notice there are no changes to the backscatter intensity. Similarly, we can also change the source level power output. And again, as you can see, the backscatter is being compensated in real time. Normalized backscatter is designed for seabed classification. With normalized backscatter, the software manufacturers don't have to compensate for anything related to the sonar. That is already compensated for by us. Normalized backscatter and tracker autopilot go hand in hand. Tracker will adjust all your basic sonar settings to adapt to the environment. Under normal circumstances, that would mean that the backscatter response changes continuously as a result of the different sonar settings. However, thanks to normalized backscatter, the seabed backscatter response is corrected for the sonar settings in real time. This means that if backscatter is part of your deliverable, you can freely change the sonar setting or run tracker. Let's test this. Tracker is turned on now. All the settings are now controlled by tracker, and you will notice there are no changes to the intensive return in our normalized backscatter.